Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Cuisinart Coffee Center Barista Bar 4-in-1 Brew Options Coffee Maker Bundle. This sleek black machine isn't just your ordinary coffee maker, it's a versatile all-in-one unit that's sure to become the centerpiece of your kitchen. First off, let's talk about what's included in this bundle. You're getting the Cuisinart Coffee Center itself, which boasts a space-saving design perfect for kitchens of any size. It's equipped with 4-in-1 brew options, allowing you to make drip coffee, single or double shots of espresso using Nespresso Original Line-style capsules, and even frothed or steamed milk for your favorite specialty drinks. And speaking of milk frothing, the built-in steam wand adds a whole new level of customization to your beverages, whether you're in the mood for a creamy latte or a frothy cappuccino. But that's not all. This bundle also comes with some handy extras. You'll receive a 3-ounce ceramic tiara espresso cup and saucer set, perfect for enjoying your freshly brewed espresso in style. And to keep your machine running smoothly, there's a bottle of Ernex coffee machine descaling liquid included, ensuring that your coffee stays tasting its best. Now let's talk features. This coffee maker is fully automatic, with 24-hour programmability allowing you to wake up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee every morning. The adjustable keep warm feature ensures that your coffee stays at the perfect temperature until you're ready to pour another cup, while the auto shut-off function gives you peace of mind knowing that your machine won't be left running unnecessarily. In terms of capacity, this machine can brew up to 12 cups of coffee, perfect for entertaining guests, or just keeping up with your own caffeine needs throughout the day. And with its modern styling and durable ceramic construction, it's sure to complement any kitchen decor. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Cuisinart Coffee Center Barista Bar 4-in-1 Brew Options Coffee Maker Bundle. It offers versatility, convenience, and great-tasting coffee all in one sleek package. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or just looking to elevate your morning routine, this bundle has everything you need to start your day off right. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.